Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Mini Cooper battery, updated. Start by disconnecting the negative terminal first, then remove the positive terminal and battery hold down using simple hand tools. Keep the old battery upright to avoid spills and place it on a protective surface. Inspect cables for corrosion and clean terminals with a baking soda solution if needed. Install the new battery, reconnect the positive terminal first, then negative, and secure the hold down firmly. Gather the tools and parts before you begin so the job flows smoothly. A basic socket set, wrench, and terminal puller will handle most Mini Cooper batteries. Confirm the correct battery group size for your car and choose a battery with adequate cold cranking amps. Keep dielectric grease and a corrosion prevention spray ready to protect terminal connections. Working methodically will save time and reduce the chance of mistakes or electrical issues. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get future updates. Quick recommendation. Musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It makes following audio instructions and music while working on your car delightfully easy and hands-free. Check the description for the link and other deals. And if you grab one, it pairs great with a garage workshop setup. Now let's get back to the video. Start by loosening the negative cable and removing it, followed by the positive cable to isolate the battery. Remove any covers or trim and unbolt the hold-down bracket before lifting the battery straight out. Position the new battery into the tray, secure the bracket, and reconnect the positive terminal first, then the negative. Tighten connections snugly, apply dielectric grease, and double-check that the battery sits level and the hood closes properly before starting the engine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.